Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? I'm back, Sparky Marky Mark here to do a update from CSR, update from CSR Collectibles about new private signings. And now we just got two. Holy sea cows, we got two more private signings? Now what would these signings would be? Let's take a look, shall we? And whoa, Amy Steele and Warrington Gillette. Friday the 13th Part 2. And of course, we know her and Amy Steele. We know her as Ginny Fields in Friday the 13th Part 2. And we know her as the character of Kit in April Fool's Day 1986. Right now, let's take a look at the private signings for her and see what autographs is going to await. Oh, wow, y'all. What do we have here for any fan who is a big hardcore fan to the franchise of Friday the 13th or a big fan of April Fool's Day? Well, it looks like it's not going to show here, so we're going to have to take a look here. Okie dokie, we got some from Part 2, one scene from April Fool's Day, and Part 2. So yeah, pre-orders end on June 14th, same day for the Brad Harden, and items will be mailed back on June 22nd. So they'll give us updates for more to come. So let's discuss very quickly if we're familiar with this or not. So for 8x10s, it's going to be for the Part 2s, and then you got the scene from April Fool's Day. You got mostly from Part 2, Friday the 13th. And then you got, that's 8x10s. That's going to cost you about $40. Definitely $40. Okay, 11 by 14 is going to cost you $45. You're going to get it for these. And what else? I believe that's it. And why is not this one mentioning? Hold on. One size poster, 12 by 18 is going to cost you about $60. Right, 13 Part 2 poster, same thing. And then you got something called the, why is it not showing? But it does say about 13 gun. Friday the 13th poster. I think it's a foreign one. So yeah, 12 by 18 posters, including the Part 2, is going to cost you, yep, $60, everyone. So yeah, pick whatever you like, and then after you pick which mark you're going to assign, and then if it's custom, personalized, it's going to cost you extra, but pick a character name from one of the movies she played, and very important, everybody, always get JSA Beckett Authentication. It's very important. Very, very important. So you have until June 14, ladies and germs. Now on to Warrington Gillette. Alright, next up, Warrington Gillette. That's right, everybody. Francis Warrington Gillette III, who played Jason in Friday the 13th Part 2, halfway in the movie, but mostly it was done by veteran stuntman actor Steve Dash. But as you already heard, we lost Steve Dash 4 years ago. Yeah, it was very shocked. The only way we can get his autographs is to do this $800 collage of the previous people that played Jason. You could have at least added Richard Weand and Warrington Gillette at least, since they play Jason as well. Well, the Richard Weand was known as the Roy Burns, so yeah, so that's gonna cost you $800 for a collage from Ari Lehman, Steve Dash, Richard Brooker. Well, Richard Brooker, he rests in peace. So also you got the Ted White signature, along with Tom Morga, C.J. Graham, and Kane Hodder. So that's about 6 gentlemen in the Friday the 13th series. So for Richard Brooker, God rest his soul. Steve Dash, God rest his soul as well. So yeah, folks. So he did play Jason in some scenes. So 2 gentlemen played Jason, as I already mentioned. So if you want an autograph, you can get from this one, where he jumps through the window, grabs the final girl, and then there's a close-up of Jason's face. Here's a scene where he's breaking through the glass in the chase scene. You see a full face of Jason kind of looks like the Elephant Man. Then you have the hockey mask, another close-up of the hockey mask. You got the poster. Here's the autograph that's in the Amy Steele. 13-point gun, Friday the 13th. Huh. And I can't even tell if this is a French poster or Italian poster. Is this a French poster or Italian or Russian poster? If this is a Russian or Italian poster or a French poster, please let me know in the comments down below if anybody's unfamiliar with this particular poster. And what else? You got a part 2 alternate poster, and then you got a Funko Pop. Ugh, this is what I hate, these scrolls. Okay, you got a Funko Pop of Jason, well, not the Tater Sack one, but it's Walgreens exclusive though. I already got mine, and I got another. And if he ever comes to Nowhere or any other conventions, I want him to sign it. And then you got the hockey mask. So yeah. So with that, folks, like you already know, you're gonna do pre-order. Do consignment. You do consignment. If I said the name consignment, that means you're gonna have to send the item to CSR and have Warrington sign it. You're gonna have to package it very, very well. But just do the pre-order as an advice. So, for starters, 8x10s. You got these 4 right here that you're looking at, 8x10s. And now for the 11x14 is these. Why is there 11x14? It only says 8x10s. What the hell? So yeah, just to be clear, 11x14s are the hockey mask, and I can't even tell why they put that. Okay, then you got the 12x18 posters from the American posters, and then you got this foreign poster. I can't even tell if that's French or Italian or Russian. And then we got the one size. Okay. $80 for the hockey mask for him to sign. There we go. And $95 for the Funko. So yeah, and it depends on how you want to sign either your Funko or an item sign. You have to choose particularly specific with a marker. All right, if it's gonna be on this one, you're gonna might as well have to pick red or maybe blue or green. You know, that you can see the signature. For the hockey mask, you could pick either black or blue, gold, blue, purple decor, maybe orange or green. Same thing for any of these, if you can tell if you can put a color on the marker. All right, and then, and also for customization, I'll give a little demonstration. Okay, to personalize your autograph is gonna cost you extra $10. Choose a name, say none, or just add Jason 2. You know what, add Jason 2. All right, it's gonna cost, I don't know how much it's gonna cost you really, but just do it anyway. And then next up, the Beckett Authentication is $8 extra. So yeah, and also this ends on June 14th at 12 p.m. At noon, ladies and gentlemen. At noon. Alrighty, so June 14th lands on a Tuesday. That would be the ending for the Amy Steele and the Warrington Gillette and Brad Harden signings. Same for the, and also same for the Derek Mears. The Brian A. prints, you can still get them for the time being, which this particular one would end on which certain day of the month. Well, can't even tell when does the Brian A. Prince end, but the Sean Young signings end on June 8th. So folks, like I said, link is in the description box down below. You hear me? Down below. Alrighty. So yeah, y'all. If any of you guys got the dough for it, pull the triggers while you can. CSR does these. Minty Authentics and GalaxyCon. That's all I can tell you, folks. So yeah, y'all. Well, anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you, y'all. And catch you on the next vid. Also, subscribe to my channel, like the vids, and share the vids. And if you have any opinions, comments down below. So anyway, signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you, and enjoy the rest of the day. Hear you and hear you soon. Bye-bye.